Okay, boys and girls, today our read aloud is going to be about firefighters. But before we start reading our book, we are going to do a KWL chart. So make sure you grab a paper and a pencil or something to write with so we can do it together. So what we're going to do with this, with the K, we're going to do what do I already know? The W is going to be what do I want to learn? And then at the end, we're going to do L, which is what did I learn? So we're going to do K first. So what do I already know about firefighters? So make sure you pause the video and you write 1 to 2 things that you already know about firefighters. For mine, I have that I already know that firefighters put out fires, they save lives, and there are different types of fires that they put out. So make sure you have yours. And then we're going to go to W, which is what do I want to learn about firefighters? So make sure you pause the video and write yours. And then for mine, I put what type of equipment do they use and how do you become a firefighter? So this is what I want to learn while reading the book about firefighters. So this is the one we're going to do at the very end. So let's get started with the book. So this is going to be the book. Our focus question is, how do firefighters help keep us safe? Our words to know are chemicals, equipment, firefighters, fuel, machine, oxygen, pump, smother, and spray. This is going to be our table of contents. And this is our introduction. Can you hear the loud siren? It is the sound of firefighters rushing to fight a fire in their bright red fire truck. Firefighters put out fires and save people whose lives are in danger. They also help prevent fires from starting. They inspect buildings and they teach people about fire safety. What makes fire burn? Fires need both fuel and oxygen to burn. Some types of fuel are wood, oil, and coal. Oxygen is a gas in the air. The more fuel or oxygen there is, the hotter the fire will burn. Fires can be stopped in 3 ways. One way is to remove the fuel. A second way is to smother the fire by removing its oxygen. A third way is to remove the fire's heat with water. Types of fires. Firefighters put out house fires, factory fires, and even forest fires. They must be ready to fight many different kinds of fires and face other dangers too. Firefighting equipment. Firefighters use many different tools to fight fires. Large hose spray water or special foams on fires. Tall ladders reach high places. Axes chop holes in doors, roofs, and walls to reach places safely. Smoke masks and air tanks protect firefighters from smoke. Large fans remove smoke from rooms. Firefighters also use fire extinguishers to put out small fires. Firefighting machines. Fire trucks are an important firefighting machine. There are four main kinds of fire trucks. The most common is a pumper truck. It carries long hoses and a pump to spray water along the way. Other kinds of fire trucks include ladder trucks, tanker trucks, and rescue trucks. Ladder trucks carry ladders of many different sizes. Big ladder trucks have a ladder that can reach up to 10 stories high. Tanker trucks carry water to fight fires in places without water. Rescue trucks carry equipment to help rescue people who are trapped. There are other kinds of firefighting machines too. Fireboats fight fires from the water. They pump water from under the fireboat and spray it on the fire. Helicopters dump water on fires in places that trucks cannot reach. Large planes help fight forest fires too. Sometimes planes dump chemicals instead of water to slow the spread of a forest fire. Becoming a firefighter. You must be at least 18 years old to become a firefighter. Before you can become one, you must pass a fitness test. You must be in a very good shape to fight fires. You also must pass a written test. Firefighting school trains people to fight different kinds of fires. They also learn how to rescue people and how to treat them if they're hurt. Our conclusion. Fire is useful, of course. Scientists think that people have been using it to cook for more than 400,000 years. Fires can keep us warm in the winter, and some forests need fire to stay healthy. At the same time, fire can be very dangerous to people and other living things. Every year, it takes many lives and destroys large areas of forest. Fires also destroy thousands of buildings. Long ago, fires burned down entire cities because there was no way to stop them from spreading. Today, we have brave firefighters to put out fires and help us keep us safe. And this is going to be your glossary. So make sure you go back to your KWL chart. So we already read it. And so pause the video so you can finish the last part on what did I learn. What did you learn about the book about firefighters? For mine, I put that I learned that you must go to firefighting school and that there are 4 different types of firefighter trucks. So make sure you write yours.